Today we're back in Toronto and visiting Gundam Hangar. Gundam Hangar is a garage store that's fully stocked with a variety of plastic models. Boxes are stacked from the ground to the ceiling. The store owner, Jason, is a huge fan of Gundam, and he has been building and collecting model kits as a hobby for decades. This business has started with only 3 shelves of model kits and expanded to the entire garage as you see today. Just learned something new today. These are some of the 30-minute sisters model kits and accessories.
What are you doing?
Hey, I'm looking at these Bandai's builder parts. And there are so many premium Bandais. They carry a lot of limited and exclusive items. The Non-Zero Studio Legend of Thor, the Trailblazer, the Saint Armor 1100 Redeemed, and the Estelov. And Jason said these are some of the China brand's items that everybody's looking for. Jason is a very private person, and he's gonna do a little introduction about his business without his face.
Hello guys. My name is Jason Fan. I'm the owner of gunplagirl.com. I've been managing my online shops for the past 3 years, and I have huge passion for helping my friends and customers getting the model kits in the best value. And then we do the restock every 2 weeks, and then so be sure to check our site and then also check our social media. The shop is not a real hobby shop, so it's in the garage. So it could be a different shopping experience, but I'm sure once you're here, you will find something interesting to purchase. Yeah.
They ship across Canada with a reasonable flat rate shipping fee and free delivery for most GTA areas for any purchase over $150. Soon you'll be able to visit Gundam Hangar store in person and only by appointment. And Jason is still working on the online appointment page. Special thanks to Deveerei for his amazing Gundam head. It's time for me to pick up some of my favorite kits. Hope you guys liked my video today, and don't forget to check out Gundam Hangar's official website for the year-end deals before I finish. You are welcome to leave your thoughts down in the comment section below and tell me what other stores would you like me to visit in the future episodes. See you in the next one.